What's up guys, my name is Devinhuynh. Welcome to 11% Tutorials. Today I'm going to teach you guys how you can create this sick drip liquid effect for titles or any other type of motion graphics and After Effects. This effect is really simple to recreate. All you'll be needing is After Effects, no plugins whatsoever needed. Before we get started, if you do want to up your music video game or your just video editing skills in general and save a bunch of time, make sure to check out the preset packs at 11%.net. It's there we really spill all the sauce. We have packs ranging from title cards all the way to artificial camera movement. They're really easy and simple, just drag and drop, import into Premiere Pro or After Effects. It's a really great way to just spice up your music video game and just overall add better effects to your music video projects. And it also helps you just save a bunch of time. Really guys, I just dump my heart and soul out there making top tier quality preset packs that will just really help your editing game. And if you use this promo code right here, you can get an exclusive 40% off any of your first purchases. Link in the description. Remember to smash the like button and hit subscribe if you find this video interesting. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the tutorial. All right guys, so now we're finally inside of After Effects. The first thing you're gonna do is you're going to create a new solid layer right here. I'm going to call this Chrome, and then right here I'm just going to go ahead and pre-comp this. Now you can just call that Chrome Comp 1, and then what we're going to do is we're going to double click it. I'm going to search for and apply the fractal noise effect to this new Chrome layer. Hit the drop down, uncheck uniform scaling, and just increase the scale height a bunch. Boost the contrast just a tad bit, and then we can come back right here into our main composition. I'm going to search for and apply the CC glass effect right here. I'm going to hit the drop down on the surface, and then I'm just going to increase the height a bunch, increase the displacement a bunch as well. Now we kind of have a nice little chrome effect. Now it's time to go ahead and add our text. I'm going to just turn off the visibility of this and just type whatever you want to type. It's important that you choose a font that's readable because we are going to add a drip drop down animation to it. So you want to make sure that the letters are wide enough so that the text is still readable. I'm just using a plain Arial bold font. You can turn on the visibility of this chrome drip effect. I'm going to search for and apply the bloblize effect right here, CC bloblize, and I'm going to apply this to our chrome drip composition. For the blobbiness, I'm going to choose the blob layer to drip. And now you see that the drip layer has just applied to our drip text, and we've dragged this on top. You can see we have a nice liquid looking effect. It's almost there. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to search for the colorama effect. I'm going to drag and drop this to our Chrome Comp 1. And now we can just go ahead and turn off the visibility of our bottom text layer. You're not going to need it anymore. You can of course go ahead and input whatever type of color you want with this chromorama effect. There's this nice wheel that you can just change any of these colors to whatever you prefer. Pretty fun. Just go ahead and mess around with it. Next thing what we're going to do is we're going to search for and apply a glow effect. Now this glow effect always wraps it up together. I'm going to increase the radius a bunch, like 100, and now you can see we have a nice glow chrome looking effect. Now it's time to add the actual drip to it. I'm going to search for in my effects for the CC scale wipe effect, and I'm just going to drag and drop that onto our drip chrome composition. We're going to hit a keyframe on the stretch at the very beginning. I'm going to come a couple frames forward, and I'm just going to increase that drip like a bunch. It's kind of going off in a weird odd direction, but you can just set this to whatever direction you want. I'm gonna set this to 180 by just changing the direction degrees right here. And now you see if we play this out, we have a nice drip effect going on right here. You can of course always go ahead and just adjust the keyframes to whatever you like, or you can right click them and select and then just change them into easy ease keys for better animation. After my thing drips, I'm just gonna continue to go ahead and increase that stretch just a bunch, and then just drag this keyframe out so we have some continuing animation going on right here. I'm going to search for and apply a turbulent displace effect. So I'm just going to drag this turbulent displace right here once again to our chrome composition. Now you can see we got some really trippy drippiness going on right here. I'm going to decrease the amount to around like 20-ish. Once again, I'm going to add some keyframes. I'm going to set the amount to 30 right here at the very beginning where the drip finally ends, and then I'm going to set it to 0 at the beginning of this composition. And now what I'm going to do is once again at the beginning of this composition, hit a keyframe on the evolution key, move it all the way just to the end of this thing, and then I'm just going to increase the evolution to like 130. So that way, once we play it out, you can see we have some like evolution and the drip is actually moving. And there you guys have it, a sick way to add a nice chrome drip effect. You can use this effect for music videos, title cards, whatever you're working on. It's just a really fun way to add some spiciness to the title. If you want to go ahead and even add some further animation to this effect, what I recommend doing is coming back over here into your chrome composition, and you can just go ahead and set some keyframes for your evolution. So I'm setting a keyframe at 0 at the very beginning beginning. And then once again, I'm just going to the very end and then just increasing the evolution to like 300. So that way, when I play it out, there's like actual animation going on with the evolution. Now, if we come back to our main composition, the inside of the text is actually moving around and it looks like it's actually like a liquid effect. Of course, mess around with the colors. Don't copy this tutorial exactly down to the nitty-gritty details. Make it your own, have fun with it. And with that, here's the final result. If you guys made it to the end of the video, thank you again so much for watching. Really, it means the world. Make sure to smash the like button, hit subscribe if you found this video interesting. And really, if you guys have 1 or 2 minutes, please make sure to check out the 11%.net store. The sauce we spill there is like incredible. I'm constantly dropping packs that will just help up and elevate your music video game. We got title preset packs, Lightroom presets, camera shake presets, the list goes on and on. So definitely make sure to check out the link in the description and remember to use this promo code for an exclusive 40% off your first order. Once again, guys, thanks so much for watching. Leave a comment on what tutorial you want to see from us next, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.